Welcome to Module 1.2, The Role of Municipal Leadership. In this section, we explore how cities and municipalities can play a decisive role in achieving tox-free, circular, and climate-friendly construction.
Sustainable construction matters now more than ever. Buildings shape public health, influence our climate footprint, and determine how efficiently we use resources. And the decisions taken during design and procurement lock in environmental and health outcomes for decades. By prioritizing the elimination of hazardous substances, enhancing circularity, and reducing emissions across the whole life cycle, municipalities set an example for the private sector and protect the most vulnerable, especially children. Construction procurement is unlike most other purchasing. Projects are complex, involve many stakeholders, and last for decades. Decisions made early on influence long-term costs, environmental performance, and health outcomes. Effective procurement must balance quality, compliance, and health criteria, while also integrating circular solutions. Early engagement with contractors and suppliers helps ensure feasibility, and whole life value becomes more important than the lowest upfront cost. Tox-free construction is a practical and necessary approach. Low VOC finishes, formaldehyde-free materials, and alternatives to phthalates or persistent chemicals protect both people and ecosystems. Modern, safer alternatives already meet or surpass technical requirements. Third-party certifications and clear documentation make selection easier.
The societal and health benefits are significant. Tox-free construction reduces exposure to hazardous substances, preventing long-term health issues and improving indoor air quality. Environmentally, it limits pollutants that accumulate in nature and protects ecosystems. And at the community level, tox-free construction raises awareness among municipal staff, residents, and businesses, encouraging wider adoption of safer practices.
Tox-free construction also drives market transformation. Clear municipal demand pushes suppliers to innovate and expand their range of safer materials. This strengthens industry expertise and competitiveness. Proactive tox-free procurement aligns with emerging regulations and reduces future compliance risks. Municipalities that lead in this area position themselves as responsible, forward-thinking buyers, demonstrating how procurement can reduce chemical emissions at scale and support a healthier built environment. Despite its benefits, tox-free construction faces barriers. These include limited awareness, perceptions of higher costs, and long-standing industry habits. There is also a lack of market information about safer alternatives. These challenges can be overcome through pilot projects, transparent market dialogue, and outcome-based specifications. Building internal capacity and sharing templates and lessons learned across departments helps municipalities lead confidently and effectively. In the European Union, public procurement is a powerful lever, accounting for around 14% of GDP. A significant portion of this spending is in construction, meaning public authorities have the ability to raise standards across entire markets. By setting transparent and ambitious criteria, municipalities encourage suppliers to provide safer, circular, and climate-friendly materials, reshaping market expectations. Green Public Procurement, or GPP, requires attention at every project stage. In planning and design, architects and engineers specify low-toxicity materials. In procurement, GPP criteria guide the selection of suppliers who meet environmental standards. During construction, proper handling and storage of materials help prevent contamination. And in the post-construction phase, green maintenance practices ensure the building continues to perform safely and sustainably throughout its life. To make GPP work in construction, collaboration is essential. Municipalities, procurement officers, designers, suppliers, and regulators must share a clear understanding of tox-free and circularity requirements. Capacity building, through training, internal guidance, and clear verification tools, ensures that GPP can be applied consistently and effectively. An inspiring example comes from Finland, the Hyvinkää Eco-Label Daycare Center, completed in 2017 as the nation's first Nordic Swan certified daycare. The goal was a healthy indoor environment for children and staff, aligned with the city's broader sustainability strategy.
Procurement included eco-label criteria covering energy efficiency and strict toxicity restrictions. A detailed two-phase market dialogue allowed suppliers to assess readiness and propose solutions, strengthening both competition and understanding.
Although early estimates suggested a 25% cost increase, strong competition meant the final procurement cost did not exceed that of a standard daycare. Lower operating costs due to energy efficiency further increased long-term value. The market dialogue prevented problems during construction, and suppliers gained expertise that carried over into future projects. This project demonstrated how ambitious municipal requirements can reshape the market, raise awareness, and drive innovation.
The NonHazCity3 project provides practical tools to support municipalities. These include a step-by-step guide for managing tox-free construction processes, strategic solutions for procurement and building certification, and a catalog of building materials with information on hazardous components. Professionals can also access fact sheets linking chemical safety with circularity and energy efficiency. And for citizens, a do-it-yourself guide helps bring tox-free construction principles into everyday renovation and maintenance.
Thank you for following Module 1.2. To explore more tools, resources, and case studies, visit the NonHazCity3 project website under Interreg Baltic Sea region.